Tired of Optimal Workshop's limitations? Looking for an optimal workshop alternative with more functionalities and better pricing flexibility? Then UXtweak, a powerful optimal workshop alternative, might be the right choice for you. With UXtweak, you get a better value at competitive pricing. UXtweak offers 11 plus research methods, moderated and unmoderated studies, participant recruitment, powerful analysis, and sharing tools. UXtweak is an all-in-one platform that eliminates the need for multiple subscriptions to research tools or recruitment solutions. When it comes to features, UXtweak includes all your familiar optimal workshop essentials like card sorting, tree testing, and surveys, plus a comprehensive suite of additional research methods. With UXtweak, you can also run usability tests on websites, mobile apps, and prototypes, conduct user interviews, preference tests, and 5-second tests, and collect qualitative insights. For maximum efficiency, you can set your studies to be either moderated or unmoderated, or record participants' voice, face, and screen during research. Compared to Optimal, UXtweak also offers a more flexible recruitment process. With Optimal, you can either bring your own participants or buy a participant panel. With UXtweak, you can recruit participants through a study link, use a built-in panel management solution, or install a recruitment widget on your website to turn your visitors into participants. UXtweak also offers you a participant panel with participants from over 130 countries. When you recruit with our user panel, we guarantee the quality of participants' feedback through study audits, rigorous screening, and multiple quality checks during and after the recruitment process. And in case it happens, we provide free replacements of unhelpful participants. And if you require any help with recruitment or studies, our support team of experienced UX researchers has been praised for its exceptional support and recruitment. With UXtweak, you get responsive, knowledgeable help that keeps your research moving forward, not stuck in support tickets. Now let's talk pricing. Optimal Workshop's annual starter plan starts at $199 per month and allows you to have 5 launched studies per year. In comparison, UXtweak's business plan starts at just $92 per month, with unlimited launched studies during the year. This provides you with considerably more research capacity and potentially great savings. Plus, while Optimal Workshop requires a full-year commitment, UXtweak offers plans suitable even for project-based research. You can subscribe to the monthly business plan and cancel anytime. No strings attached. So, are you ready to switch to a better solution? Book a quick call with our team to get started right away, or subscribe to our free plan to try UXtweak in your next research project. And if you're locked into an annual Optimal Workshop contract, we'll match your remaining time with free access so you can transition risk-free. Get the most out of your research. Switch to UXtweak today.